Good medical morning. This is Watson with the Pimple Popping Year in Review for 2020. Let's start with highlights from the 2020 Clip of the Year. We'll show this clip in its entirety by the end of the video, so stick around. Now, let's show you the runner-up for Best Pop of the Year. It's got over 15,000 votes. And here are some honorable mentions. Before we show you the Clip of the Year in its entirety, please click like to show your support as a true Popaholic. And without further ado, here is your Clip of the Year. Nice.
I just want to give a big shout out to everyone who is losing weight with Thinergy. Keep up the great work, guys. You are all doing so awesome. Now, ways that I continue to stay healthy and be in shape is by always giving myself a minimum of 30 minutes each day to stay active. Whether it's just going up the stairs instead of using an elevator, whether it's going to the gym or doing something fun like ice skating, which I love to do, I always try to stay active. And I know sometimes it can be hard to keep yourself motivated to do that, but the ways that I keep motivated is by thinking to myself that if I am physically healthy, it also improves my mental health majorly. And also fun ways that I stay motivated is by doing different types of exercises, whether it's taking a Zumba class or a spin class. Also joining your family and friends with you is a great way to keep yourself encouraged to stay healthy. So have fun, everyone, and good luck!